need or want sex, you can't put it to words, I know. And that ineffable reason, that's how I know I don't want sex for sure. They told me I haven't found the right one yet. Well, honestly, as of yet, I had found a right few. And I'm going to tell you those stories. In them, you'll find some things old and some things new. Let's go back to the start. The very first time I fell in love, things were said and rules were laid. Holding hands and flirting was all right. Anything beyond that would not be okay. So the problem was that I went beyond and kissed. The very first time I was kissed and I was kissed back, it was a discovery. It was the closest to magic I'd ever felt, so the best kisser I was going to be. I learned new meanings of forever. I learned to hope for again and better. But then I couldn't catch up in rhythm or in rhyme as a cosmic alarm went off and everybody was ready for their first time. I've I must have missed the alarm because I'm a late sleeper because I wasn't ready or even eager. But when they spoke of it, I joined in with equal vigor. I kept falling in love, sometimes better, other times worse, but it was never on my mind, and that seemed to be my curse. So I kept avoiding it. Eventually, I did it, but it didn't seem meant to be. Every time it happened, I knew I wasn't really being me. So I told my friends, and a problem with me was diagnosed. A lot was said, a lot was done, books were read, new boys were met, but problem remained solved by none. Finally, I was relieved when they wrote chants of no means no means no means no. But when I said no and I meant no, they said you've got to try a little more. अरे थोड़ी कोशिश तो करो. How could you not? Why would you not? No, you do. You don't know how. I'll teach you. I'll show you. Oh my God, you've never felt wow. But I had felt wow. I had felt wow in hugs and in kisses. I had felt wow every time fingers had run through my tresses. But beyond a point when it went, I was left all alone. So I learned to lie in words and in moans. I learned to lie because I didn't want to hurt, I didn't want to lose. And I was in love. Who was I to choose? Who was I to choose? Who was I to choose me who had none alike? Who was I to choose me who had lost at love's every strike? And this was the time when everybody was talking about sex, learning, and teaching consent, and I had no one except for my discontent. And this is not bashing my lovers, they were great. This is not bashing my lovers or even my friends. They were taking care of me, keeping the bargain at their end. This is not bashing sex either. This is not to prove me greater. I do not celebrate celibacy. I'm not a sex hater. And sex haters, you think just the favorite child is the asexual kind? Go out with the boys or the girls, your parents never really mind. True, but for that to happen, you have to come out. And we're the only ones who have to use the word sex and not love to come out. You see the irony there, I'm sure, without a doubt. But what must be done, must be done. I've found a way to make this a little easy. And as I go ahead, I know I might sound cheesy. They say you don't stutter when you're singing a song. And as I go ahead, I hope you'll sing along. I am asexual. Yeah, I'm not the only one. I am everything I need. You better recognize me now. Thank you. So there's another song that has the phrase cardboard cutout sex appeal. And I always misheard it as carpal tunnel sex appeal because for me it was about holding hands to the point of chronic muscle ache. I didn't know picking my way to love was such a terrible mistake. I have to paraphrase songs. I have to paraphrase songs to tell you I feel all of it. The butterflies and the bees in my very stomach spit. And if I asked you, why do you need or want sex? You can't put it to words, I know. And that ineffable reason, that's how I know I don't want sex for sure. And I'm not incomplete or in any way less. I am complete, but confused. Isn't that such a beautiful mess? and I am broken, imperfect, but that needs mending of a different kind. Don't tell me who I am. Do not try to change my mind. Last but not the least, in LGBTQIA, an asexual and an ally, each and every single way. And as I come here on this very special day, I'll sing one more time and I hope you'll sing along with me when I say, I am asexual. I'm not the only one. I am everything, I need you better. Recognize me now. Thank you.